Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of media offline, or the big red square where your video should be in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. So if you have this on your screen right now, it means that your computer, your files that you originally dragged and dropped onto the timeline or imported, they can't be found. So why is this? Sometimes it might be a case of you've unplugged the SD card with the files that were previously on there, so you need to plug it back in. Other times it might be that you've renamed the file after you've already put it onto the timeline. You've gone away, you've renamed it, and now Adobe Premiere Pro can't recognize that file. So the way it works is that with all of these clips, basically if you can't find the original file name in exactly the same location, you have to relink the media. So what you need to do is go over to the assembly panel in the bottom left hand corner and then select right click, scroll all the way down and scroll down to link media. Then it'll show you the files that are offline. Select locate. Select the memory card, for example, where the files are, select OK, and then it will automatically bring up a matching clip in terms of title name. Select OK, and then it will begin to relink all of the clips that were previously offline, and we're good to go once again. There we go, I've appeared. Fantastic. Please leave a like and subscribe down below if this helped you out. Massively appreciate your support, everybody. And join the channel if you have any other questions or want to support me. Cheers.